Welcome to What Bites. Today I'm excited to share some insights scaling a React website to over 200k clicks per month from SEO. I will be sharing some of my learnings that can help you improve your rankings and see significant impacts on your web traffic in no time. Let's begin. I will start with basic terms we use in SEO. If you already know the basics of SEO and want to get your hands dirty, feel free to skip to the next video. Let's begin. Imagine Google as a super smart explorer with a mission to discover and organize all the information on the internet. It does this with the help of special computer programs called crawlers. These crawlers are like curious spiders that travel on from one web page to another by following links. When you create a website or publish a new page, Google's crawlers start their journey by visiting your website. They read the content, examine the links, and take notes of what they find. Then they follow the links to on your page to other pages, and the process continues. After the crawlers gather information from millions of pages, Google's powerful brain comes into play. It analyzes all the collected data and tries to understand what each page is about. This way, when someone searches for something on Google, it could quickly show the most relevant and helpful pages in the search result. So when you work on SEO, you are essentially making your website more attractive to Google crawlers. By optimizing your content and structure, you increase the chances of your page being discovered and ranked higher in search results, making it easier for people to find and visit your website. I hope with this you have some basic idea of what exactly SEO is. From the next video onwards, we will start completely new React app and we'll do some SEO optimizations on it. Thank you.